Hey, what's up? Welcome to DJ Fix. This is May Tech. I'm John, and we're going to go over kind of a final send-off nerd session on the venerable Shure 44-7, which, as you know, the unfortunate news is Shure's kind of given up on it. So we're going to run it through a test record here, a test vinyl with very simple frequency curves. We're going to look at the output on this oscilloscope, and we're going to see the response.
15,000 cycles.
So we're not going to go through we're not going to take absolute measurements, but we're going to use this as kind of our baseline. This up and down size here is the amplitude, and we're going from high frequency to low. So now we're at 12,000 cycles. This is like cymbals, hi-hats.
$10,000 cycles.
So still kind of in the same general ballpark in terms of the distance from the top to the bottom of the wave. And that's the output level.
8,000 cycles. $6,000 cycles.
So you can see it's gotten a little bit bigger, which makes sense. Usually high frequencies are a little harder to reproduce, so you get more output as you go lower. I'm going to dial the scope back to me.
4,000 cycles.
So now we can look at kind of it as a distance between 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, 4 radicals on the scope.
2,000 cycles. $1,000 cycles.
So it looks like we've kind of settled into that one zone, so pretty balanced so far in terms of output.
700 cycles. $400 cycles.
So now we're getting kind of into the lower mid range, and as you can see, we're kind of still in the same ballpark, about the same size waveform as
200 cycles.
200 cycles is kind of where you start to feel it in your chest a little bit. Bass guitars, stuff like that.
100 cycles.
So 100 cycles, still the same size. We're getting into kick drum territory now.
$50 cycles.
All right, we definitely can dial that back maybe a little bit. Thanks. So still, it's a low frequency and it's starting to flash because of the scope doing its thing, but that's still about the same
30 cycles.
output. And 30, we're dealing with sub stuff. So you can see this is about the same amount of output that we've been seeing throughout. So this is really low bass, and I'd say that's an excellent cartridge. If you're a DJ doing like super low stuff with a lot of bass, a lot of subs, it's a great cartridge. It's going to be sad to see it go. Thanks, May, and thanks for watching.